Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Gray, Auto Rotate or Portrait shortcut, or blue Auto Rotate one. As you can see, Auto Rotate is over here. So when I click, it's gray and it says landscape. That means that auto rotation is definitely off. But you can always switch it back on by hitting the same landscape or portrait gray shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!